Are you tired of looking at the same bright and white Messenger app every day? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly switch your Messenger into dark mode for a sleek new look. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then make sure you are signed into your account. After that, tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, the very first option is the dark mode. So go ahead and tap on that. By default, this will be set to system, which means Messenger will automatically adjust the app's appearance based on your device's system settings. So if you want to enable dark mode on Messenger, simply select on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.